Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add button in ScreenFlow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have your ScreenFlow in your Salesforce. So basically, we need just to go to Setup so we can start creating our flows. So here, I'm just going in the Quick Find section, and basically, we need just to search for the flows. And basically, we go to the flows. After that, we need just to go to the flow builder by clicking on a new flow. So let's just wait for this flow to load and we will be able to access our flow builder. So now we need just to start from scratch, click next, and from here we'll find the screen flow. And basically, I will need just to click on create, and now you will need just to start your screen flow. And basically, you can start adding your screen. You can add some action buttons if you want. You can configure the header, etc., etc. So after you add all the flows that you would like or all the elements and components for your flow, you will need just to save it and activate it. And basically, now we need to include it in some kind of action button. And for example, we can go to the new assign uh, opportunities. I mean the opportunities page, and we will need just to edit the page as an example. Or you can do this for your here for your leads or anyway. So we can go to the edit page, and for example, we can go to the page layout, and then we can click on any layout, and we go to the builder, and basically you can start add buttons. And for the button, you can add your flows to them, and basically it can have some flow that will be added when you click on a button. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.